Assalamu alaikum grade 4. This is Najma Khan here, your SST teacher. I welcome you back with lesson number 10. Today we are going to start unit number 8, the Mughal dynasty. And you are very well aware that Babur is the founder of Mughal dynasty. Zahiruddin Babur was born in 1483. He was the son of Umar Sheikh Mirza, the Sultan of Fergana Valley. Babur was a brave warrior. He took his army to Delhi to fight Sultan Ibrahim Lodi. The Sultanate of Delhi had good land for farming, as well as riches such as jewels, clothes, and carpets. It had many skillful craftspeople. Babur had only about 17,000 men, but Babur planned to win. After the Battle of Panipat, Babur started the Mughal Empire. He was its first emperor. Thus he is called the founder of Mughal dynasty. Humayun was the eldest son of Mughal Emperor Babur. When Humayun was 22 years old, he was ill. Babur was very worried, but Humayun got better. Then Babur was ill and died. Humayun became the second Mughal emperor. Humayun tried to keep his father's empire. An Afghan leader named Sher Shah Suri wanted to take Delhi from him. He tricked Humayun. He said he would make peace, but he attacked with his army. Humayun's men did not like Delhi. They did not want to stay and fight. So when Sher Shah Suri attacked, Humayun had to leave Delhi. He went to Persia, which is now Iran. The Persian emperor gave him 12,000 soldiers. Humayun went back to Delhi and captured it with this new army and carried on its dynasty. Akbar was the first son of Humayun, so he became emperor when Humayun died. A Hindu leader named Hemu attacked Delhi with his army and more than 1,000 elephants. Akbar fought them at Panipat and won. He was only 13 years old. Akbar worked hard to keep his army ready for battle. He won every battle he fought. The Mughal Empire grew and grew. Art, poetry, music, and learning were important to Akbar. He had the best artists, poets, musicians, and scholars around him. The Mughal Empire became famous for its art, buildings, poetry, and learning. Akbar died in 1605 when he was 62 years old. Students, that's all for today. We will discuss more about this in our next lecture. Now this is the time for your assignment. You are going to choose your favorite Mughal emperor and then you will be writing why he is your favorite. After writing it, you will share your words, share your efforts with me on this email address, which is missk1477@gmail.com. I will be waiting to check it. Thank you.